How to talk about housework. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Each sentence will be read twice. Let's go. I have a lot of housework. I have a lot of housework. I don't have a lot of housework. I don't have a lot of housework. I have to wash the dishes. I have to wash the dishes. My brother takes out the trash. My brother takes out the trash. My sister vacuums the carpets. My sister vacuums the carpets. Mom mops the floor on Saturday. Mom mops the floor on Saturday. We share housework. We share housework. Housework can be fun. Housework can be fun. No one enjoys doing housework. No one enjoys doing housework. My father loads the dishwasher after dinner. My father loads the dishwasher after dinner. I have to unload the dishwasher. I have to unload the dishwasher. We never make the bed. We never make the bed. My brother does the ironing. My brother does the ironing. My little brother wipes the table after breakfast. My little brother wipes the table after breakfast. Dad hates to clean the bathroom. Dad hates to clean the bathroom. My family always goes to the store on Saturday. My family always goes to the store on Saturday. I don't enjoy folding clothes. I don't enjoy folding clothes. He doesn't mind cleaning the windows. He doesn't mind cleaning the windows. We hang clothes in the garden. We hang clothes in the garden. Sweep the floor, please. Sweep the floor, please. Dad washes the car once a month. Dad washes the car once a month. Mom changes the sheets when they are dirty. Mom changes the sheets when they are dirty. I like to set the table. I like to set the table. We don't dry the dishes. We don't dry the dishes.